we're back with Edward. So we've had a big breakthrough as far as, I'm sure you guys that have watched a lot of the videos notice that the dogs always look, but Edward would never look. He kind of just always had his head down and would not look up. And a lot of that is from being trained in a correction-based dynamic, where they're not, where the methodology is wait and correct instead of training them when they're in a motivated state of mind. So we've had a real breakthrough because he's starting to get more animated. So just going to continue working with that. Got my foot on there because we're going to start teaching him the down. I mean, not the down. We're going to start teaching him to stay. And so in order to keep him from making a mistake, okay, here comes another worker. Every park we go to, every worker in town is using the bathroom there. It's terrifying. All right, so I'm just going to do my little hand signal, but I want his head up more, so. Put my foot on there. See, he thinks about getting up. He doesn't really have the behavior of stay. But we're going to install that. So, but again, you never want to do that first. If I had done that first, the most important thing was really the recall. We're only teaching him 3 basic behaviors: come, go, and remain stationary. So, in that order. So the coming to me, the healing, that's all that. The going in the place thing, and then the remaining stationary. We'll teach that last. What I did when he got up was I just did the paper and got it back down. Almost anticipates like it's going to be corrected. We've had to change the whole dynamic because of that. Alright, same thing. Look at it, oh, look at his big smile. He's already thinking of getting up. He's looking. Alright, so we'll be right back with a little bit of inspection.